Alright, so I think we're just about there. So, time to check the external connections. That's looking pretty stable. No? Maybe? I say that's good. Let's check out the bottom. So I think basically if I ever, or when I do connect down here, I'll just use a piece of tape to hold it on. So that's going to be stable, no problems there. Let's pull the bottom off here. I put some more baffles all along here because there was some light showing through from the engines into the gun turrets there. So before you seal it up, make sure there's nothing loose sitting around in there because it's going to shake and rattle later. And we'll check down here one last time. Lights work. This connection is good. Don't be afraid to jab around and make sure everything's working, because this is the time you want to find out that it's not. Alright, so I'm pretty confident in this. So these copper strips got a little eaten up over the all course of the build. They do hold the connections pretty well. These two are wired directly to that. This positive is wired directly to this. The yellow LED is wired here, and it connects to the copper to give it some juice. Same with over here for that negative. I didn't wind up wiring anything else to the negative, but I'm glad it's there just in case I had decided to. If I had used a lighter gauge wire, if I had lighter gauge wire on hand, I would have gone directly to this strip. Yeah, so that's pretty much it now. So we can pull these. One last thing is that to help make sure that this doesn't accidentally get pulled loose, I super glued it down to the outsides. And since these were bare wires floating around, I put some black tape over this, electrical tape, just to make sure they didn't cut loose. And these go straight into the springs. As you can see, it's strong enough to hold it, but you don't want to go doing that, obviously. So from here, what I'll be doing is I'll seal up the back with a little CA, clamp that down, and then work my way around the perimeter, make sure everything fits, and that will be it. So here we are, fully sealed up. So again, the fiber optic, that gets cut after it's fully painted. Gets cut right straight down to the line, and then a little bit of lighter flame in front to bloom it out. And that will be done. I'm not going to get around to painting this for a couple weeks, so that'll be a long wait for you. Got to put the guns on and then the crossbar up here when the final paint is ready to go. The bottom, basically I'm just holding the lines on with tape for now. I may come up with something better later on, but really I just wanted to get this done and out of the way. The back looks pretty good. One of the lights over here seems to have gotten just a little off center somehow. I don't know when or where. But now I'm wondering if I shouldn't have gone with white lights. I do like the blue though, so I'm happy with them. And I'm happy with the yellow up here. Don't quite remember what it was on the show, but I'm pretty sure it was yellowish orange. So that's pretty much it. Again, having the power supply interchangeable from top to bottom is really nice. For shooting at least, when I get around to doing that. So now I can shoot it from the bottom all nice and happy without having to worry about any wires visible anywhere. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. And I'll catch you later. See ya.